We are opening a new exhibit here at George Washington's Mount Vernon. It's called Hoecakes Hospitality, Cooking with Martha Washington. And so we've invited the media to join us today for a special preview. We've started out with a tour of the exhibition where I get to talk about some of my favorite pieces in the exhibition, the research we did, look at some of the documents. And then after we've gotten everybody's mouth watering, we hope, we've invited them to join us for lunch cooked by Chef Walter Staib from the City Tavern in Philadelphia and PBS's Taste of History. And he'll be cooking some special 18th century recipes for us, just like he's demonstrating on the video that is showing in the exhibition. He came to Mount Vernon about a year and a half ago to film two of the segments for his Taste of History program, actually working in Mount Vernon's kitchen, demonstrating some 18th century recipes that might have been served here at Mount Vernon. And so it was a great adventure having him here. He was able to fill us in on a lot of things about 18th century cooking and Mount Vernon's kitchen that we didn't really know, and we really got our taste buds watering watching him cook.
The lunch is a tribute for me to Martha and George Washington, for the Washington's birthday, for the 280-year birthday that he has, and for Mount Vernon. So it's for people that come today to really truly see, because the 18th century food was so fantastic, so fresh. I mean, think about it, sturgeon from the Potomac, the oysters from the Potomac. Obviously, this time of year, you would have wood vegetable that we're using. You wouldn't have string beans or asparagus yet, so we keep true to the seasonality. And then we have a sweet table. We have some ganache, we have some pecan tartlets, we have some spice cookies, some sugar cookies. Kind of give the idea what the 18th century was all about.